How on earth does Jennifer Lopez achieve her beautiful complexion and a body seemingly carved by gods? Let's dive in. The skin. Jennifer Lopez's skincare routine reflects her dedication to maintaining radiant skin. She incorporates products from her own line, J.Lo Beauty, which includes a variety of items like sheet masks and gel cream cleansers. Cleansers are key to her beauty routine since she has to use makeup all the time. She uses cleanser, serum, cream, and sunscreen, so a very basic skin routine. Additionally, J.Lo entrusts her skin to renowned facialist Tosca Husted, based in Charlotte, North Carolina. Husted, known for working with celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Jennifer Aniston, uses advanced techniques such as facial massage, light therapy, and microcurrent treatments, often paired with Biologique Recherche skincare products. A well-balanced diet and a good sleep routine is very important to her radiant skin as well. J.Lo is a big fan of Anastasia Soir eyebrow products and brow-enhancing techniques. She's celebrated as the queen of the Hollywood power brow. Trusted by many of the world's most famous women, Anastasia emphasizes the transformative impact of professionally shaped eyebrows. She believes that a well-shaped brow can elevate the face more effectively than many injectable treatments. As she told Vogue, a well-shaped eyebrow is like a mini facelift because it lifts your features. There is no question about it. All of the other injectable treatments are good, but eyebrows are the most important. The hair. J.Lo's signature voluminous and glamorous hair is often the work of British hairstylist Chris Appleton, a master of crafting head-turning styles. Appleton regularly styles Lopez's honey blonde lock, creating a variety of iconic looks, from retro high ponytails to long, loose waves. Renowned for his ability to deliver show-stopping hairdos, Appleton is a go-to stylist for J.Lo's most memorable appearances. You can get your very own Appleton show-stopping do by using his Color Wow products like the Style on Steroids Texturizing Spray. The makeup. J.Lo's radiant bronze goddess makeup is often crafted by Mary Phillips, one of her trusted longtime makeup artists. Known for their flawless collaborations, Phillips enhances Lopez's signature style with fluttery lashes, soft taupe eyes, glossy lips, and bold brows. Together, they create camera-ready looks that perfectly capture J.Lo's timeless glamour. Contouring is also key to her flawless-looking beauty. J.Lo learned how to do great makeup from Kevyn Aucoin. She takes the darker colours and mixes them with lighter colours, and she does it a little bit above the cheekbone, which lifts her face more. She creates a light bulb effect under her chin, so it darkens the bottom, adds nose contouring, and then uses concealer to brighten the under eye and sides of the nose to finish up her glowy look. She loves the YSL Touche Eclat concealer. The nails. Jennifer Lopez's flawless, ever-evolving manicures are the work of celebrity nail artist Tom Bacik. More recently, he has curated seasonal looks for her, including warm mocha and moody burgundy manicures, perfectly capturing the essence of fall. With Jennifer, it's always about making it the best that I can, says Bacik. She's very meticulous, so we try to make them as perfect as possible. For Bacik, that means starting with a thorough manicure, consistent shapes, and healthy nails. The two are constantly collaborating, texting inspo back and forth, and generally iterating on Lopez's sumptuous signatures. Jennifer loves rich and classy style. That's her kind of overall aesthetic in everything she does, says Bacik. And then, as we get into J.Lo, then we get a little more extreme, a little more street, so it's playing with what works for both. A medium-length tapered square serves as Lopez's go-to silhouette, which gives her an elegant look because it kind of elongates the finger, while her current palette is all down to nudes. And shimmer, she loves sparkle. The body. J.Lo's enviably toned physique, her abs, legs, arms, and glutes, is the result of dedication and guidance from renowned trainer Tracy Anderson. Known for training stars like Gwyneth Paltrow, Victoria Beckham, and Madonna, Anderson employs her signature Tracy Anderson method, which targets smaller muscles to create definition, tone, and strength. As Anderson told Vogue, "It is your body's right to exercise, just like sleeping or nourishing it with good food. Moving it is about you connecting with you." While J.Lo is dedicated to her fitness routine, she also embraces cutting-edge treatments to enhance her results. One of her go-to options is the EM Sculpt Butt Lift, a non-invasive procedure that uses electromagnetic technology to lift, firm, tone, and strengthen muscles. Known for using it to maintain her famously sculpted derriere, Lopez benefits from a treatment that, according to Dr. Tracy Mountford, founder of the Cosmetic Skin Clinic, is the equivalent of doing 20,000 squats in one session. The EM sculpt can also be used on other areas, like the abdominal area, for similar toning effects.